Hi guys, I want to share my thoughts, my experience, my review of these Eastmount adjustable weights. So I have been using these for a little while now and I really love them. So I find these great because I don't have a ton of space in my house and I work out in my basement. And sometimes I want a weight range. So I want weights that go from 2 pounds to 3 pounds to 5 pounds, but I didn't want to get three or four multiple sets. So that's where adjustable weights can really come in handy. And that is what I love these for. So you get one set of dumbbells, but you get multiple different plates that you can add on based on the amount of weight that you want to use for the workout. So the way that these work is you slide down this little gray piece here, and then you just slide the plates on and off on each side. So I find these really great for like bar and Pilates workouts that use a lighter weight. They're typically higher reps. Sometimes you need something for like a 2 pound, and other times you need something a little bit heavier like a 5 pound. So overall, I really love these dumbbells. I love the color of them. They come in fun colors like pink and purple and blue and black. I think they're really sturdy, they're really durable, and I recommend them.